Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. For today's video is mag-unboxing tayo. This order from eBay. Yan, very small order muna. So, hindi ko alam kung dumating ba lahat. Pero mukhang isa lang kung dumating. So, let's watch. Samahan niyo ko. Ang ganda ng lagayan niya, gold. Ito yung in-order ko. For my face. Yan. So, grabe ang packaging nila. Yan. May order ako more than one. Pero hindi sila sabay-sabay nagdating. Maybe because iba-ibang company yun. Maliit lang naman ito. This product, I used to use this from the Philippines, but they don't have this before. So this is a new product of Dr. Alban. Yan. So hiyang po ako sa Dr. Alban product so far. So na-try ko na po yung mga rejuvenating set previously. So this time, it's been couple months hindi ako gumagamit ng set. So nakita ko to as a review of Dr. Alban product. So this is the multi-fruit filling with EHA, BHA, and TXA. Yan guys. This is for micro exfoliant set. Ang dami niyang naka-scotch tape. So, buksan natin for review. Ito po yung laman niya. Yan. Ayan ang laman niya sa isang set. So, this set content with this one, it's a toner. The other one, this is for facial wash. Instead of sabon, ito ang niya, gamit. Facial wash. And of course, merong sunblock, which is kung lalabas kayo, ito ang gagamitin nyo in the morning, like daytime. And of course, meron tayong facial cream. Usually, during night ito. It's night cream. So, based on direction for use, you have to clean first. Ito yung usual na ginagamit. Like before you use, kailangan maghilamos muna. Use this one twice a day, morning and night. And then after using the facial wash, isunod na natin yung toner. So kung morning naman, ang i-apply nyo is sunblock. And the next one is, kung pag night naman, ito. So, ang gagamitin nyo, like, this one, lagi to, magkasabay. Morning and night. Morning and night. Ito night, ito day. So, yun po yung review. So, ano ang benefits or ano ang makukuha natin sa set na ito? Based on the review, ito ay usually protect your skin, especially if you have dark spot, pimples, hyperpigmentation, isa pa yon. Meron kayong mga problem ng ganyan. So far meron po tayo dito, kung nakikita nyo. So hopefully makuha po nito. Hindi po ito makukuha right away ha. So before using this, you need to test your skin kung hindi pa kayo allergic. So, iba-iba po tayo ng skin type. So, nasa sa inyo na yan. Bago nyo i-apply sa mukha nyo, i-try nyo muna sa skin para wala kayong mga reaction dyan. Kung meron namang mga allergy after first, second use, stop nyo na. Okay. Basahin natin. Number 1, cleanse. Second, tune. Number 3 is protect. Yun yung review ko. Then the second part, cleanse again, and then toner, and then moisturize, exfoliate. So, Subukan natin basahin lahat. Ayan. For base and safe exfoliation result, follow suggested. Dr. Alban Multi-Fruit Peel Toner and Cream. EHA plus BHA plus TXA. Application Guide. So, meron ditong guide. Kung hindi nyo gusto sundin yung sinabi ko kanina na everyday. Meron dito twice a week. It's either Monday or Friday. Or 3 to 4 times a week. Merong Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only. Or gusto nyo gawin everyday. So, that's your option. Depende sa skin type ninyo. So, apply toner only twice a week. Ayan. Kung medyo maselan yung nyo skin. Before bedtime, Monday and Friday. 3 or 4, apply toner and cream 3 times a week before bedtime. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Or 5 to 8 week, apply toner morning and evening for cream. Apply it before bedtime. Monday to Sunday. Ayan, yan po siya. So, nasa sa inyo na yan kung susundin nyo. So, AHA. So, I think yun lang siya. Professional Skincare Formula, Sunblock Cream. So, kung gusto nyo i-review kung ano tong content niya, yung EHA, BHA, and TXA. I-research nyo na lang kung ano yan. Kasi hindi naman ako ganun ka-expert talaga based sa mga beauty product or pang maintain sa mukha nyo. Kasi lahat tayo iba-iba ang skin type. Ayan, yun lang po ang aking review for this unboxing. Ayan, just comment down below guys.